recording. Okay, guys, you see the line all the way to the vaccines for the COVID-19. I'm flying my drone, so it's all the way over there, as you can see. So let's tilt the camera a little bit down. Okay, it's not tilting. I don't know why. So far, huh?
Yeah, it's so far.
So right there you can see the entrance of the LA Stadium, the Dodger Stadium. You can see right there. Look. Oh, I can't zoom.
Yeah, of course you can't zoom. They're on camera mode.
So let me go forward.
It's not going forward, it's going sideways.
Oh, the wind. Yeah, you're right.
It's starting to get a little more windy.
Yeah. Look. Tilting. Look, it's going the other way around. That's the LA right there. That's the LA, downtown LA. Mari. Este ya está arriba, mira, ¿ya lo viste? ¿O no lo ves?
No.
Ahí están Los Ángeles, mira.
A la verga.
¿Qué?
No, sorry.
Mira, pues, todo está arriba. Mira. Vamos a ver dónde está la entrada. Ahí está. No, está dando vuelta. Está haciendo aire ahí arriba. Lightning, look, LA.
Yeah, no, I saw up there. I don't know where it is now.
Ahí está LA, mira.
Yo quiero ir allí.
Downtown LA.
Ahora.
Ya no voy a voltear. Ya voy bajo la cámara para abajo. Uy, shit, ya lo perdí. Ahí está. Ahí anda volando el güey. Ángel, you see it? Tiene que bajar la cámara para abajo, no sé por qué chingado. Ahí está. Mucho aire.
Ya no está atrás.
Angel, where is it? No, ya está arriba, mira. Here. Wanna fly it? Let me just. That's for flipping the drone like this, and this is for. Yeah, you wanna look? Look where you look up there. That's a Falcon. You can look at the camera right there, wherever you wanna go. This in the back is for the camera, and this is for the speed. You want to change how fast you want to go. And that's the battery, look. That's the remote battery, and that's the drone battery. When you want to bring it down, you bring it down with this, or you just click there and it's gonna come straight to your phone. Remember, your phone is your GPS tracker. And this is the signal of the satellite. Look, you have really good signal. But I don't know, the camera goes all the way down like this, but I don't know this. This is to move the camera up and down. And I don't know why it doesn't go down. Like, can you film me? Film us? Like, we are down here. And this means it's filming, and it's filming with audio. So the audio goes to the phone and over there. That's for the speed of the drone. That's to turn off the video camera off or on.
Oh.